also from Indonesia. Yes. Right. So this is our time to share also our homeworks, particularly in looking at our smart city initiatives based on our three criterias: efficiency, effectivity, and of course our equity as well. So I'd like to request Rebecca to please share with us our slides, please. Thank you, Rebecca. Yes, Honorable Mayor from Banda Ake. I think you're waving your hands, ma'am.
Hello, namaste.
Namaste. So we'll start with,
Okay.
all right. So I think Del Carmen is on the other breakout session. Let's go to the next, Rebecca. Thank you. Maybe we could start with the first one that Rebecca sees. Thank you, Rebecca. Just feel free to share. Okay, we'll have a quick presentation first of our initiative. So we'll start with our Honorable Mayor from Inarua Municipality, Nepal. So keep it brief so we could have more discussions about this. So from Honorable Mayor Kendar Bandari, please go ahead.
Thank you. Respected mayors
Next
and
slide.
participant, namaste, good morning.
Good
I am
morning.
Kedar Bhandari, Mayor of Inarua, Sunsari, Nepal. My project is Electronic Building Permit System, EBPS.
Next slide, Mayor.
Please slide.
Thank you.
Effectiveness, enhancing speed and resource use, time saving. Eliminates the need of physical visitors, reducing applicants' processing time. Paperless process, minimum store cost, automatic tracking, real-time applicants' status, reduce following up calls needs, integrated workflow, streamline coordination among municipal departments, reduce redundancy, avoids public duplicate data entry and provided efficiency. Please, next slide.
All good, Mayor.
Achieving better outcomes. Accurate data management. Digital forms reduce error. Applicants details. Transparent approval process. Clear timeline and visible process tracking, building trust. Improved compliance. Automatic rule checking, ensure building plan meet regulations. Performance monitoring, data analysis help in identify bottlenecks and improve service delivery. Faster decision making, real time access to all required information for evaluation. Evaluators.
Next slide.
Next. Equity, fair and inclusive access. Equal opportunity. All applicants follow the same online process without favoritism. Geographical accessibility. Remote applicants can apply without traveling to the office. Inclusive assistance. Help desk and support channels available for less tech-savvy applicants, affordable access, reduce interest cost, indirect cost like travel, printing, and time of work. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Mayor from Inarua, Nepal.
Thank you.
Next presenter, we'll just check on, yeah. So we have our Honorable Mayor from Suryodaya, Mayor Ran. Go ahead, Mayor. I think Mayor Ran is on the other.
It's in
room.
on the other room. I
Yeah,
will
all right.
move. But I believe Mayor
Eliza.
Eliza from Banda Aceh, are you able to hear us? I received a message that says that you are not able to hear us.
Yeah.
Oh, you are able.
Okay.
Okay,
Alright.
great.
Thank you.
In that case, over to you, Mayor.
Okay. Sorry.
Thank you.
Is it?
You
Sorry.
could, yeah, you could just let us know, Mayor, if next
Okay.
slide. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me today to convey several important things that the Banda Aceh city government has done in this context of implementing smart technology. Next, the Banda Aceh city government vision for smart cities is optimizing bureaucratic reform and governance. This is outlined in the Banda Aceh City Strategic Plan and the Regional Apparatus Organization Work Plan. In terms of policy, Banda Aceh City Government has legislated 5 mayoral regulations to support the implementation of smart technology. Two of the most important regulations are Banda Aceh Mayoral Regulation number 18. Sorry. Sorry. This trouble. 5 minutes, yeah, just only 5 minutes.
Should we perhaps move to Mayor Kampung Chana?
Yes, all right. Thank you. We'll get back to you, Mayor, in a while. Thank you. Go ahead, ma'am.
Hello, good morning. Thank you for giving me a chance to represent my Kampong Chnang mayor since he's too busy with his schedule today. So, yes, let's move to the presentation. Since Kampong Chnang, since our country is still in developing country, so the technologies that we already adopted now is only the camera traffic cams that our city have been deployed this system. As you can see in the pictures, it has been installed along the road. And so let's move to the effectiveness of this smart cities initiative, or we can call or traffic cam that our city have been installing. And this traffic cam is highly effective tool for our cities since they are transcend the simple civilian and become the integrated intelligent component of the urban ecosystem. And here is the effective of the traffic cam. First of all, it's about real-time data and acquisition and monitoring. It is continuously capture the highest fidelity video or image of the traffic flows or vehicle count or speed or occupancies of the car or motorcycle and fuel length, something like that. And its effectiveness is provide the fundamental up to the second raw data that is needed for the city governor to use after that the data, and it can provide the eyes on the street for the emergency needed for the governor. And for the efficiency of the this technology is that the traffic camera can it can gain the primarily through the real time and monitoring traffic signal of Yeah. Uh, Optimization and the efficiencies of it, because the dynamic traffic signal control that we have been adapt in our city along the road, this traffic cam can act as continually sensor, like they're providing the feeding line data that is constantly adjust the signal timing across the city networks. And as you can see in the slides, it is how it works technically is that we can get those information efficiencies from the camera, the traffic cameras, and it is can detect the vehicle or the overspeed vehicle into the data that can stream to like central traffic management system, and it processes to the data in the real time, and it adjusts to the signal across the network and providing the feedback via the camera to the governor to use as the information for the emergency needed. And the final one is about equity. Then here is in the presentation slide is that the primary mechanism ensuring the traffic camera. This can promote the inclusion for the marginalized community in the smart city initiative, as we targeted the infrastructure investment and service prioritization, since the traffic camera can enable the city to identify and address the mobility gap in understanding the area by directing the resource where like the who are the needed the most. For example, like the equity focus on data collection, we can detect the camera can detect the traffic pattern by knowing that where location or area that is needed the most to provide the safety or provide the emergency needed for the local. And that's it for our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that presentation and for sharing your city's initiative in terms of smart city.
Yes,
I
thank
think
you.
our honorable mayor from Banda Aceh is here, or we'll go to another LGU first.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
I already started.
Mayor,
Okay,
the floor is yours.
so sorry. Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody. And ladies and gentlemen, allow me today to explain more detail about one of the tool for digital transformation in Banda Aceh City to optimize the public service, especially in education sector. The innovation we call is Sinan Sikula. Next. Talking about definition, Sinan Sikula is an innovative breakthrough from education and culture department of Banda Aceh City government in order to change the manual recording paradigm into an integrated computerized system. There are four main purposes of Sinan Sikula, which are first, replacing manual attendance systems that are prone to errors and manipulation. Second, providing real-time attendance data for school and parent. Third, monitoring teacher discipline objectively. Fourth, supporting education policies through accurate data. By using an application that can be installed on both Android and iOS or iPhone, it makes it easier for teacher and education staff to take attendance at school using selfies and the school location. This is how to create the discipline for both student and teacher. Next, data centralization consists of three databases. First, education unit contain comprehensive information about educational institution. This data facilitates centralized management and monitoring of school quality at all levels. Second, teachers and educational personnel contain the teacher's professional profile and history, including name, employee ID number, latest education, certification, subject took, and teacher experience and training history. Third, student and subject data. Recording is student personal and academic information. This data helps school and other stakeholders continuously monitor student learning process. Next, as you can see in the report dashboard, there is the attendance recaps and that can automatically process and summarize the attendance data, providing timely, accurate and reliable report. There are 9 report recaps that provided by the system to simplify the monitoring and evaluation for students and teachers. Next, one of the main functions of Sinansikula is to make more efficient, such as first, fast process the attendance for student and teacher, which previously took 5 till 10 minutes per class, can now be done in seconds. Second, cost savings. By eliminating the need for fingerprint attendance device, it could minimize maintenance costs and optimize resource allocation. And 3, report automation. The attendance recap with previously took a long time. Right now, it is automatically available. Sinansikula support paperless administration. Information can be obtained directly without having to be reported manually. Communication becomes faster and policy making becomes quicker and more accurate. Next, another function of Sinansikula is to make the data system more effective for intensives. First, high accuracy. Facial recognition reduce the possibility of proxy attendance, which is common in manual system. Second, real-time data receive instant notification of student attendance, enabling timely monitoring and intervention. Third, rapid intervention. School counselors and the principal can immediately identify and address student and teacher absence problem. This can also prevent data manipulation that show the attendance of teachers and education staff as 100 as occurred when manual absences use paper report. Next. Last but not least, in the system apps, we make all student, teacher, and parent could easily connect each other in supporting the education sector so that there are 3 points in equity. First, equal treatment. All students and teachers are subject to the same verification system without exception. Second, access to information. Parents from all backgrounds receive the same information about their children attendance. Third, minimal bias. Automated system reduce the possibility of the discrimination in attendance recording. Next, the Sinansikula has been used by more than 100 of schools like kindergarten school, elementary school, junior high school, and more than 2,000 people in charge with baseline education such as teacher, permanent and temporary education staff, and contact worker. Okay, thank you for your presentation. I hope the point I have shared today could be the listen, learn, and contribute to other cities in the world. Thank you very
So
much.
thank you very much. So we have 20 seconds, but anyway, thank you very much for your sharing. So basically, we've seen the benefits, but we also need to identify the risks later. So we'll go back to the plenary. So thank you very much, Honorable Mayors. We'll see you back at the plenary. Thank you.